So I have a secret for you. Did you know that you can actually build out your entire email marketing system in less than 60 minutes? To start building profits in your business, creating a tribe that actually wants to connect with you, giving you permission to deliver content, value, offers to them every single day. This is something that I'm actually gonna show you exactly how to do inside of my brand new free video training series, Launch Your List. If you're anything like I was when I first wanted to start writing emails and getting into email marketing, I was in such resistance to it. First of all, I had no clue how to technically make it happen. I didn't think I was a good writer. I didn't know what to write, how to write, when to write. So my friend, all I gotta tell you is you get started and you get to have my support walking you through this process. Here's what I know. You have a big dream, you have visions, you have goals, and I'm pretty sure you don't wake up every day thinking, oh, I need to technically figure out how to do the things in my business. You just wanna know how to do those things so that you can move on to the things that really matter, to how you can truly make an impact and create profit in your business because you have taken the time to set up those specific systems that will allow you to create more success. So inside of this free training series, Launch Your List, I'm gonna show you the step-by-steps, the click-by-clicks, the tools you need, how to set it up, how to get them talking to each other. Once we have it set up, I have an entire YouTube series that I'm gonna share with you so that we can start to strategize together on how to start building a successful and profitable email list with PDF cheat sheets included. And just finally eliminate all of the dialogue that may be going on in your head that's preventing you from getting started in the first place. Chances are you have stressed out more about the tech work involved in your business than it actually takes to get it up and running, because it literally takes less than 60 minutes going through this free training series. So I'm gonna invite you to dive in below and let's get started because friend, it is time to launch your list.